Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. In this video, we'll look at important levels we should be looking in Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow using market profile and order flow. So coming back to Nifty first, what happened today is the market itself has opened inside value area, indicating that the value traders are present at that point of time. And whenever you see this kind of opening, most often, if not always, the prices will likely cover the whole entire value area. At the same point of time, you also observe that there is a good amount of unfinished business of 3.2k at yesterday close. So this says that likely the prices will go upside all the way towards the value area high. Also, you need to keep in mind that the first 30 minutes itself is a open test drive. So whenever open test drive happens, you will see some kind of higher highs and likely the whole value area will be covered. So while the prices is going up in the first 30 minutes, it has left a good amount of 342 unfinished business at the lows. Nifty started making higher highs and higher lows. Nowhere there is any kind of pullback, and Nifty touched almost 25,145, which is near to value area high. But at the same time, there is a good amount of HVN zone. So that HVN zone acted as a very good resistance here. So you need to remember, whenever the prices is making like this higher lows without any kind of pullback, that says that there is going to be a strong pullback at some point of time, which happened later somewhere after 12:15. It came all the way towards the low of the candle where the morning unfinished business is there. Again, it entered the value area of Monday, which is somewhere around 24,960 level. So once the prices gets accepted inside the value area, it will likely go for the other side of the value area. Now this is what happened today. So also you need to remember the low of Tuesday itself is a mechanical reference. So yesterday there was a one-time framing market. As I always say, these one-time framing markets are strongest market but least reliable. So the prices went up, but then immediately the prices came down all the way, covering the total one-time framing market. For tomorrow, what you should be looking for is where the price opens. For tomorrow, this area, this small area of 24,985 to somewhere 25,020, that 40 points is going to be important. Any opening and sustaining here for 15 minutes to 30 minutes about 25,020 levels, it's going to cover the whole value area, and likely it will go towards 25,170. So this POC 25,075 will be your first target. Second target will be 25,130 levels, and third target will be 170 levels. If there is going to be a flat opening or any kind of gap down opening, you should be looking for 24,770 level. Unless the prices goes below this, so buyers will come in again. So this is with Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, today market has opened inside value area of yesterday, indicating that likely the prices will be a sideway market, which happened most of the day. So 80% of the prices were inside the first 1 hour. Now whenever you see prices closing inside the value area, let's say for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, in the first starting 1.5 hour where institutional activity will be very more. So most of the day you will see sideway kind of auction market. So if at all, if the prices should have gone up, the prices should have gone above these 51,550 to 570 levels, which is the multi-day balance low area, which has never gone beyond that. And somewhere around 10:45 it started making lower lows, breaking the previous lows, and then at some point of time it has broken the IB low. So once the IB low is broken, you will see the prices trying to extend 100% of the IB, so which is around 50,960 levels. For safe entries, you will always look for inside the value area. If you look at the prices have entered value area, but it has not got accepted. So acceptance will be somewhere around 51,050 levels, 50 to 60 levels will be acceptance, you can say. Once the prices enters this area, then good possibility it will go for 50,860 levels. So which is again, it's a halfback reference which has left over on Monday. There is one halfback reference at 50,850. There is another halfback reference at 50,970 levels, and it will cover the 50,680 levels. This is if at all there is going to be a flat opening or a gap down opening. Look for acceptance of the first 15 to 30 minutes, and if it closes inside this value area, likely this will happen. For further any down move, you should be watching for this area 50,350 levels. So if at all, so there is a strong buying tail. If at all, if the prices gets accepted below 50,350 levels, then you will likely see 49,900 levels in a day or two, like Friday or Monday. Also remember, 49,900 is the area where strong buying has come multiple times. 1, 2, 3. This will be the fourth time if the prices comes down here. Don't ignore this area. Likely assume that by default buyers will come in. If at all the buyer, whoever is there here strongly, who is buying here, if he unwinds, then Bank Nifty might go for 49,400, and even below that is also very much possible. So till then it's going to be a buy on dip. If at all there is going to be a gap up market, mark these levels 51,220 to 230 levels. So if the prices gets accepted above this, and again it's a same old story, it's going to be a sideways market up to 51,430 levels, and it will likely test the high. So, and if it gets accepted again above this multi-day balance, which is around 51,550, 570 levels, then it will easily go for 51,750 levels. If you are looking for live market updates, you can click on my Telegram link, which I am attaching in the description. And if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, you can click on the playlist, which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.